you tell me so I can prepare for you now?
Prepare for what? Bro, I just wanted to surprise you.
But I'm the only link you have in this country. If you enter town, you tell me, say
Come off it.
So I can take care of you.
It's okay, it's okay.
And you just showed up in my house like that.
You have a nice house.
Thank you very much. You know what? Let me go and lodge you in the hotel so you can settle in. Let me settle you in.
Lodge me?
Yes, sir.
I don't understand. Can't I stay in your place?
My place? My brother, I have a situation. You see this house? This house is full. I'm telling you, my mother is here. My mother's younger sister is here. Then, you know that my uncle's wife that I was telling you that they were having issues. Yes. My uncle finally threw her out. I said, what can I do? Family is family. I told her, come here and stay with your 2 children. I'm telling you, my house is full. Then remember Ekene from our university days now?
Yes.
His wedding is next week. Oh, he did not tell you?
No.
He got to the hotel. They said they can't find his reservation. He's here with his fiancée.
Can you imagine?
And as I'm talking to you right now, my toilet downstairs here is messed up. So we are all using 1 toilet and 2 bathrooms. You know what? It's a very terrible situation.
Yes.
Oh boy, enter car.
My nigga.
My guy.
My nigga.
My guy. Guy. Start the car. Hey. Oh boy, so good to see you.
I'm at the same man.
Welcome.
Thank you, thank you.
How New York?
We thank God, we thank God.
Why now? Nkiru Bikono, don't tell me to leave. I'm here to talk to you. I've been here before. They say you're not here. Now I've found you and you're telling me to leave. Please, let us talk.
Enough. Enough of your nonsense, Bernard.
Look, let me tell you something. Whatever I have done is just to protect you.
Protect me from what exactly? I hear that you kept me a secret from everyone. Why is that?
A secret? Do you look like a secret?
That's exactly the question I want to ask you. Why would you do that? What's going on with you?
Okay, just calm down. Don't raise your... These people, they have neighbors here. Calm down. We can sort this thing out. If you just follow me back to the house, I'll explain everything to you. Please, I'll just try to protect you.
I want a divorce.
Huh?
Yes.
For this small husband and wife issue that we're having.
You heard me.
Don't do this to us, I'm begging you.
I cannot stay married to you anymore. It feels like I don't even know who you are.
Adriana.
And it's glaring that there is something you're hiding and protecting me from that I do not know about. And I don't want to be a part of it anymore. Do you get that?
Please, I love you. Let's just go home and solve whatever issues we're having. I mean, there's no marriage that is perfect anymore. I have been miserable without you. I've looked everywhere for you. Please.
Serve me the divorce papers.
Oh my goodness. Look at you.
Sorry for keeping you waiting.
No. You know, when it comes to a beautiful woman like you, I will not complain. Yes.
You sure do have your way with words.
Well, I hope the words are hitting the right spots.
Ready to go?
Yeah, sure. You look so sweet. This way, please.
Thank you.
Okay. Hope you enjoyed yourself.
Yes, I did. I enjoyed myself today.
I see.
Thanks.
Jason! What are you doing here?
Bernard.
No, what are you doing? Have I not told you to stay away from my woman?
Bernard, please, can you just stop this madness?
I made it explicitly clear that you stay away from my wife. What are you doing here?
Bernard, stop this!
Look at how you're raking. Look at how you're shouting. Who would believe you'd be hurting your own wife like this when you have a master's degree, first-class degree in going after other people's wife and sleeping with them? Shut up. What do you mean by that? You can't shut me up, bro. Shut up. It's time that I say the truth. Listen to me, let me tell you, pretty lady. Do you know who he is? Do you really know who he is? He's nothing but a well-known gigolo who goes after other people's wives.
That's a lie.
Bernard.
Listen to me. Listen to me. He only sleeps with them just for money. That his business is nothing but a fake. He's just using it to pretend and deceive people like you.
Don't believe him now. That's a lie. Everything
look at what he's saying.
everything you're saying here is a lie. What do you stand to gain? Jason, stop it. You're lying.
Listen to me. Listen to me. You can ask around. People do know him. They all know what he does. What he does in his office, you will not believe it. How did I know? He introduced me into the business. We did it together as brothers until he broke the code. He slept with my wife. He slept with my wife. And then you want to have a peaceful marriage? It doesn't work that way, brother. If you sleep with another man's wife, another man will sleep with your wife. Did you hear me? It's true. Look at his eyes. Look at his eyes. He knows I'm saying the truth. You're just so lucky. Look at him trying to deny it. You're so lucky I didn't have sex with her. If I have had sex with her, what I've done to her would be worse than what you did to my wife.
What is it?
Why are you naked?
I don't understand. Naked how?
We're supposed to be going to the poolside. Are you not ready?
I am ready now.
But I'm ready now.
I mean, so I'm ready now. Is what I'm wearing not nice?
This thing?
Yes, now.
You're wearing this thing?
Come on, babe. This is a swimsuit.
You are, no. This is a naked suit. You are naked. Do you understand?
So what do you expect me to wear to the pool?
Dress well. Now, wear casual.
Ha! Babe, look at me very well. How else do you expect me to dress? How else do you expect me to dress?
Pull it down.
Babe, stop now. This is a swimsuit.
This is not a swimsuit. You are naked.
How am I naked?
See, let me tell you something. Let's not have a problem. There's no way. Do you realize that you're a married woman?
Yes, I know.
Oh, so you know.
Uh-huh.
So you want to follow me to the poolside so that other men will be looking at you like this. You have to dress appropriately. Do you understand?
Babe, how am I dressed? This is a swimsuit. We're going to the poolside.
Hold on.
We're going to swim. What do you want me to wear again? What are you doing?
Options.
I don't understand.
Pick one.
No, wait a minute. You want me to wear this to the poolside?
Yes.
It is not possible. How am I going to wear your shirt and jogger to the poolside?
So that you are properly covered up. I don't understand. What's your problem?
Covered. This is a swimsuit, babe. This is a proper swimsuit.
Can't you see? I can see your midriff. You saw it too?
Babe, I did not see anything. I am covered.
How this thing cuffed like
but this is not pant and bra now.
Madam, wear this thing now.
I cannot wear it.
They are going to call family meeting on our head.
I will not wear it, babe. This is
I'm waiting for you at the pool.
I will not wear it. You wait and you wait tire. How do you expect me to wear this to the poolside now?
See yourself.
Babe, what kind of nonsense is this? How do you expect me to wear this to the poolside? Hey! This is a swimsuit now. What is this one now? I should wear joggers and your shirt to the pool. Come and carry me now. Okay. Hey, God, I beg.
I don't understand. This one you're here just tapping your leg. Enter the water now.
Are you kidding me right now? How do you expect me to swim in this?
Does it matter? You can swim in any. Look, what is important, sweetheart? Look, just put your legs more.
Babe, leave me alone.
What is important is for water to touch your leg.
I don't understand.
What don't
Make
you
me understand.
Why don't you want to swim?
How do you expect me to swim in this?
Hey, this is not that hard. What is important is for your body for water to just touch you.
For water to just touch me?
Yes.
So you expect me to wear this big shirt and these joggers into this pool? It's not possible. I can't do it.
What? See, you're the one making a mountain out of a molehill.
Really?
Yes. What is wrong with what you're wearing? Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something very important here. You're a married woman. No? You're a married woman. Whatever it is that you are having under this beautiful t-shirt is for my eyes alone.
It is not for your eyes alone. Because what I wore in there wasn't this. It was a swimsuit, a proper swimsuit. You didn't expect me to wear this to swim. That's the only thing I can swim with now. Come on now, babe, why are you doing this? The only reason I came out in this is just to fulfill all righteousness and respect you as my husband, because I know you. You turned the whole thing upside down. What I said was, what I wear wasn't revealing. And it's for swimming. You don't expect me to wear this to swim. It's fine. If you want to swim, enjoy yourself.
So you're not going to swim?
I'm not swimming. Enjoy yourself. I can't even continue doing this with you.
And I spent money to bring this woman here. Oh. This place is not free. Neither is it cheap. I'm going to Fugo.
I don't even understand this kind of lifestyle again. When you started doing all of this, I can't wear what I want to wear. I can't do what I want to do. What kind of rubbish is this?
Yes. Wait.
What's it?
What is it? What is it? What are you doing?
I am packing, can't you see?
Why?
I'm leaving.
Don't say that. We just got here. Now we're here on our honeymoon. You cannot leave.
What's the essence of being here? Tell me, what's the essence of being here when you can't allow me to do anything? I can't swim, I can't talk to anybody, I cannot do anything. So please, let me leave.
I am trying to protect you.
Protect me from what exactly?
From men, wolves, who are out there to devour you.
Jesus!
I am telling you, those men will eat you up.
Bernard, what is wrong with you?
Nothing.
What has come over you?
I'm just looking out for you.
Then great, let's go. Let's just leave. There's no point being here. What am I going to be doing here? Nothing. So I'm leaving with or without you.
No, calm down. Let us sort this.
Leave me alone.
Calm down. You know, sometimes when you're vexing, like you don't. Okay, have you even looked at yourself? See how pretty you look. See how beautiful you are. What man will marry a beautiful woman like you and not have his self-confidence challenged? Sometimes I get scared. Understand now.
Bernard, so this is your issue.
Is it not an
No,
issue?
this is your problem.
Is it not a big
Then let us leave. There's no point being here. We're here to have fun, right?
But we can have fun in
But
this.
we're not doing it. We're not doing it.
Hey, beautiful.
Hi.
Do you have a man? Because I can be your man.
Hey! I heard you. She has a man. She has a man. That's how you people go around harassing people's wives. She has a man. I am her man. I'm her husband. What do you think you're doing?
Oh, God, respect yourself. Respect yourself.
No, you respect yourself, you idiot. And you're standing here. Do you have a man? Do you have a man? You couldn't. So you don't have a man? What? You don't have a man?
Please, can you just calm down? Sir, please, I'm sorry.
Shh, move. That move, I saw. Move.
You look so beautiful, baby.
You're a very stupid man. You're a very stupid man.
Babe, can we just go?
Very, very stupid.
As a married man, I can lay curse on you.
Come on now, let's
And you
go.
keep it moving. See the embarrassment you just cost me now. Talking to this tout here because of you. Your mother is beautiful. Egu. Sorry, now I've been begging you. Take it easy.
Take what easy? Can you see how you embarrassed us out there?
I've been apologizing. We are driving all the way down to the house. What is it?
Are you kidding me right now?
How did I embarrass us?
Bernard, what am I going to call this? What is this?
It was the guy's fault.
How was it his fault?
Why would he approach you right in front of your husband? And I yell, is this stupid?
I don't get it.
What don't you get? What he did was wrong. I was trying to protect my wife.
Bernard, what is wrong with you? What has come over you? Why are you so insecure? Why don't you trust me?
But you know that I trust you now.
Oh, please.
Hey. So a man can no longer protect. Hey. Mba, no. I'm going to sit down here.
That place will be very hot now. Let me be here. Macandom. Are you still angry with me?
Don't talk to me.
Hi. I hope you know that without you I'm lost. If I don't talk to you, who will I talk to? Please now. Okay, I'm sorry.
Can you please just stop apologizing? Stop apologizing without changing.
I'll change. I promise. Please now. Yeah. See the way I'm shaking. Every time you quarrel me like this, my body will be shaking. See how you're making a grown man shake. It's not good, though. Don't make my BP go up now. Don't push up my blood pressure. Let us not fight. I don't like to fight. Okay. I promise I'll not do it again. Come now. See how soft you are. Come.
You promise?
With all my heart. Since you've been angry like this, there's a way. I don't know if you get prettier when you're angry.
You just always have a way yeah, babe. About work, I want to resume sending my CV.
I don't understand. Once you send your CV, where?
You know, before our wedding, whilst planning and all, I stopped going for interviews. So now I want to work. I mean, since we are done with the wedding and honeymoon, I want to work so I can help out with the bills.
I don't need you helping out with anything here. I can pay the bills here.
Pardon?
You are not going to work. You are going to sit at home while I take care of you. You are my wife. It's my responsibility as your husband to take care of you.
I don't understand. What do you mean I can't work? I am an adult, so I can make my own choices.
I make the choices and the decisions around here. I get to decide what goes. You are not going to work. You stay here as my wife. I lost my appetite. Forgive and forget now, Try and see this thing from my perspective.
And what's your perspective?
I am trying to protect you.
Can you just stop it? Stop it! Protecting me from what exactly? If I wasn't out there, would you have seen me? would you have proposed to me?
Would you rather remain out there?
That's not what I meant.
What do you mean, baby?
I want to work. I went to school. I have a first-class degree. You cannot just tell me to pause my career just like that.
I have your securities. I have my fears. Hard to believe, but it is true. I'm not half the man that you think that I am. I have imperfections that makes me feel that if I cut you loose and let you explore the world, that you just might meet a man without the flaws that I have and decide to leave me. Baby, I don't want to lose you.
You cannot lose me.
I'm scared.
Scared of what?
Losing you.
You cannot lose me, Bernard. You can't.
I'm worried.
You don't have to be worried. I love you. And I'm going nowhere.
Then prove it. By agreeing to be a stay-at-home wife. Baby, please. Don't think that I am taking you for granted. Okay, maybe not forever, but at least for now. Please. I beg you. Baby, please. Just for now, as my confidence grows, I'll give you the freedom that you seek to be all that you want. But for now, please, just indulge me. Because Yana. Ogebo Yibom. Mommy more. Please now say something. I'm waiting now. Kono.
Okay.
Thank you. I'm sorry. Okay.
How didn't I know they were finished? Oh, goodness. I have to pray to God for this.
Why are you stomping the ground? Are you okay?
Yeah, babe, I just realized the veggies were finished, so I just want to quickly go get some.
Oh, no. Veggies. No, it's okay. I'll get it for you.
Oh, no, babe, don't worry. Just continue dressing for work while I get it myself.
Audrey, relax. I will get it for you, okay? It's not a problem. I'll get it for you.
By the way, you say it's for breakfast. I'm not feeling hungry this morning, so just rest, okay? This is sorted.
Okay, if you are not interested in having breakfast, what about me? I need to eat, so I would just go.
Come now. Relax. How are you in a hurry? I'll just get the cabman to get it for you.
Babe, you don't need to stress the cabman or yourself. Come on, I'll get
Okay. You know what? You insist, right?
Yeah.
You insist. Just hold on a second. I think I have... let's see. This one will match. This one will match your color. What's funny? What is funny?
Are you serious right now?
Yes, now. You insist you have to go out. So, wear this. This is the top. You tie this around your waist and you can go out. Take it.
Seriously, babe?
Yeah, seriously.
Like you want me to tie these old wrappers to the market just to go get veggies?
What is wrong with it? This is how your mother was looking when your father saw her, liked her, paid her bride price and gave birth to you. And you're here now questioning me. What is wrong with tying wrapper?
Bernard!
Audrey. It's your peak at the end of the day, really. Come on now, sweetheart. Don't be difficult. Wrapper with veggies or cabman with veggies. Make your pick. See you later. It works with your color.
Tell me you're joking.
I wish I was joking, babe. If I tell you that I haven't left this house since we came back from our honeymoon, you won't believe it. He doesn't let me go out. Like, I have been in this house since then.
Now, what do we call this? What sort of insecurity is that?
Babe, this is driving me crazy. Okay. Do you believe that before he left for work, I told him I wanted to go get veggies. He then brought out one old looking, like one rubbish wrapper like that his mother gave to me as a wedding gift and asked me to tie it.
Was he always like that?
No, he wasn't. Yeah, he was protective, but it wasn't this. I don't know, like, if you ask me, I don't know what came over him. Remember now, we used to hang out together.
I do. And that's why this whole thing sounds so strange to me.
You know what, babe? I'm just tired of this whole thing. I don't even know what to do. I'll call you back. Let me just go finish up with my cleanup and, freshen up and do other things. I'll call you back, okay? With this door. Bernard would have to fix this. Use this door. This madness now? What's going on? Answer the damn call! Answer! Why is it not picking up? What is this? God, I'm losing it. I am losing it. Answer the damn call, Bernard. Answer! What is all this? What is the meaning of this? I'm losing it. I'm losing my mind. I'm losing it. This is getting too much. This is just getting too much. I can't even take it anymore. Bernard, answer the call! What is all this? No, this is getting too much. I can't even take it anymore. What am I going to call this?
My man, how far now?
I did, brother. How you doing?
I did alright. I bet if you drop me for house, my car they get some issues.
That same engine problem.
Yeah.
You know, close I buy an engine.
I don't have that kind of cash to spare for now.
Okay. No wahala now. As long as you're ready for the car to continue to trouble you.
And yes, before I forget, how come nobody around here knows that you're married? Does it mean you didn't tell anyone?
That's because I want you to remain a secret here.
A secret? How? What do you mean?
Oh boy. Allow this matter rest. Okay?
But you know you can't hide that forever, right?
No go there now. Let the matter rest. This is just how I want it.
Okay. It's alright.
Make I just round up now. Head out.
It's alright.
What is this?
What is it?
What is going on? So it has gotten to the point where you now lock me inside the house? Am I a prisoner?
Okay. I just did not want you to flout my orders.
Flout your orders? How? I don't understand. What has gotten over you? What is wrong with you?
Okay, bring your voice down.
Don't tell me to bring my voice down. You're making me lose my freaking mind. Stop it. I don't like it. Why would you lock me inside the house? I wanted to go through that. I couldn't go out to through that. I wanted to take fresh air. I couldn't take fresh air. What is all this? You lock me inside here like I'm a prisoner. Am I your child? Do I look like a child to you? You tell me to raise my to put my voice down. What kind of nonsense is that? Who are you? You keep locking the door. I can't even go out to receive fresh air, to do anything. You lock the door as if I'm your child. What kind of rubbish is that? Am I a prisoner? Lock this door again and I will bring it down. And there's nothing you will do. Who the hell do you think you are? Try it again next time. Rubbish. Lock the door again now. Just try it.
Ah. Okay, well. Oyoyo. Oyoyo. Calm down now.
Stop now.
What is it now? Talk to me now. How was your day?
Can you please just stop?
What is it now? What have I done? Calm down. Hey, don't wrong. Oh yeah, calm down. Calm down.
Leave me alone now. What's wrong with you?
Okay. Oh yeah, how are you? How was your day? Hey. Hey, don't break, oh. Ah. What have I done again? Okay. You see, this is what we go through. I go out as a man, I come back, they give me attitude. Hey, tomorrow morning now, she'll ask me for money. Life of a man. This is why we die first. It's actually women that kill men. Stress. Tell me what I did now that this woman is giving me attitude. What? Man, we go walk. Hey! I'm back. We cannot be in this we cannot be in this house and be keeping Mali. For how long are you going to keep Mali's with me? This is not right.
Can you please just stop?
But I have told you that I'm sorry. I am sorry.
Sorry doesn't magically fix things.
Hey.
This is becoming your habit and it's not nice. I don't like the way you're treating me.
You don't understand. This is for your good. This is an act of love. It's an act of love.
This is an act of love. Is this what you call love? Caging me is not love. Gradually turning me into a shadow of myself is not love. This was not the love you promised me.
Okay, I will change.
You will change.
I will change now.
This is what you always say. You will change, but you never change.
Hi. I am sorry. Don't be angry now. Calm down. I'm sorry.
Please, can you just stop? Just leave me alone, Bernard. I am tired.
Are you tired of our marriage?
Before we got married, you used to take me to the club and on dinner dates. Now you don't even do those things anymore.
You want dinner?
Yes, I want to dress up and go on a date with you.
Say no more. Tomorrow night we'll do dinner. I'm serious. Look, I'm out to make you happy. It's just that you don't believe me. Huh? Look, I know that I can be yeah sometimes. But my darling, come.
Bernard, please, can we just be serious?
But I'm serious. You don't believe me.
I don't, because you do this all the time.
No, tomorrow night. Look, if we don't have dinner tomorrow night, pack your things and go back to your father's house. How about that? Just pack your small patako in this house and go back to your father's house. We do dinner.
Stop, I don't like this.
We do dinner now.
Leave me alone. You do this all the time.
I'm sorry. It's because I love you now. Hey. It's your towel. Should I undress and tie? Hey, baby. Good morning.
Good morning, baby.
Good morning. Yeah. Breakfast in bed.
Babe. This is nice.
I know.
And you're prepped for work already?
Yep. But I had to do what I had to do. You first.
Okay, I see.
Yeah. Running a bit late though, but I got it. Hey.
Thank you.
You like it?
I love it.
Anything for you?
Anything for me.
Yeah.
Okay. So, the dinner date? Are we still going out tonight?
Of course, as soon as I return from work, we're off.
Come on. I love you, baby.
I love you too. I have to go. It's okay. I'll call you from work, okay?
Okay.
All right, see you later.
Thank you, baby.
Sure, bye.
I love you.
Love you too.
this man. Where do I start from?
I wish you see, I wish you know that you are the only one for me, and I protect you.
Sir, you need to look at them.
What file is this?
From JP Limited, sir.
Oh, okay. I'll look at it later.
Okay,
by
sir.
the way, come.
Sir?
Stay well now. You got the text I sent you.
Yes, sir. I got it.
But you have not responded now.
I'll respond soon, sir.
Try.
I will, sir.
Try. So you can change my oil and I can change your wood.
Missing piece that makes me whole, and I protect you. I will give you and everything that we share and more. 'Cause you are the one that I need.
Hey, baby.
Are you on makeup already?
Yes, I am.
Let me not mess it up. Huh?
You will come, my love.
See who's excited. Huh?
I am already excited right now. It's been so long.
I know, and I'm sorry I have stepped you of this all this time, but you know what? Guys, see how fine you look. See how fine you look. A new beginning starts today, baby.
Yes, baby.
A new beginning starts today. So we are going to begin to rock and roll.
Bro, my baby, you don't need to apologize. At least you're making amends.
Exactly. I have things in the car, let me get them.
Okay,
I'll be right back with you.
I've been waiting.
See how sweet you look.
Thank you.
The better one for me. You are the one that I need. The better one for me. You
What is going on here? Already with legs crossed. Give me your hand, baby. Give me your hand. Look at that. Just look at that. Look at that. See what I'm working with. And then the visual. Someone. And then the one. Or someone. Charge. Everybody go me see. I have lost my mind because I have you in my life.
That's right.
You are so beautiful.
Thank you.
You're already set to go.
Yes, baby.
It's okay. I'll have to get out of this work clothes and so I can be on the same level with you.
Of course.
You gotta go? So we can have an amazing night together.
And I'll be waiting for you.
Girl, you look hot.
Thank you, baby.
Let me tell you something. I am going to get you pregnant tonight. I am telling you. I took kunu and banana at the office.
Baby.
I came ready. Let me change. Wait, no. Calm down. See what I'm working with?
Yes, baby. I've been waiting.
I had my eyes open when I went to the market.
Of course, you picked the best, baby.
You know me. All right.
wish you see, I wish you know that you are the only one for me, and I protect you. I will give you and everything that we share and more. 'Cause you are
Sit first now. Sit down. Sit. What are we talking? Oh, yes.
What's going on?
Huh? Dinner now.
I don't understand.
You wanted dinner. This is the dinner now. Dinner for two.
Are we not going to the restaurant anymore?
Hey, come on, Nane. Just look around. Eh? Tell me one thing that they have in the restaurant that I don't have here. Eh? I decided to set up a mini restaurant for us here so that, we can have...
Stop it! Stop this madness! What is wrong with you?
Calm down.
Do I look like a prisoner to you?
No.
What is going on? Why do you keep doing this?
What have I done?
I spent so much time dressing up for this dinner date and anticipating stepping out of this house and you do this?
Yes, now, but they say charity begins, at home. I decided to start the enjoyment from here. Am I not a romantic man?
Mom, at this point, you just need to come and talk to your son. You just need to come and talk to him because I am tired. I'm losing my mind. I'm losing it. I can't continue living like this in my own house. He doesn't let me go out. He doesn't let me do anything. How can I be living like a prisoner in my house, Mom? I'm tired.
Calm down, okay?
Mom, I'm exhausted. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired.
Hi. Or someone, Huh? Huh? And then the bemwa. Bebintum. Huh? Huh? See how you look like a ripe plantain.
Can you just leave me alone?
Oh, Gene, what is it? You just like tension to be in this house. We cannot just be here so that you can be happy and I'm happy. No, there has to be tension. There has to be...
Don't even try to make this about me.
What is it?
Why are you doing this to me?
What am I doing to you, baby?
Why do you act like you don't know what you do wrong?
Because I don't know what I have done.
Are you serious?
Yes, my love, I'm serious.
Why don't you let me go out?
Oh.
Why don't I step out of this house? Why are you trying to make me a prisoner?
Hey, no, I shouldn't touch you. It's okay. Look, let me tell you something. There are wolves outside. Wolves that you don't see. But I see them, and I am trying to protect you before they approach. Now, I'm a man. Oh. I am a man, so don't think that I'm trying to make you a prisoner. I am supposed to protect you first and foremost as your husband. That is what I'm trying to do. What is outside? What are you looking for outside? Have you finished eating me up?
This is nonsense.
Look,
absolute nonsense.
This is not nonsense. I am protecting you. There are men out there who are only interested in devouring other men's wife. I don't want anyone coming close to my wife. You might call it jealousy, but I call it protection. Do you understand? You might call it nonsense, but I call it doing my job. Bikono, let's not fight. So you want to carry face for the rest of the day? So no goodbye to work kiss. You will not kiss me. Awesome. Nkem. Obim. Enenebe. It's all right. I'm going to work. Let me go and hustle so that we can feed in this house. By the time I come back, you'll have calmed down. You'll be all right. Come in.
Thank you.
Oh, Papa! You're welcome, Ma. See you again. Please, let me help you with your bag.
how you people dress in the city?
Mama, you should rest first. You have been on the road for a long time. We will revisit this conversation later.
Yes, both of you will talk about it later. I'll be my own. Let me change.
How will you be dressed like this? You're almost naked.
Come on, Mama, you should rest. Let me take you to your room.
Please leave me. I'll follow you.
Okay. Mama, I've missed you.
Oh.
Babe. What's wrong?
You called my mother. You told her that I have been maltreating you. Me. You called to tell her that I have been maltreating you. What?
When I called her, I was in my feelings. I didn't know she was going to come. I was angry.
I say you want me to become nonchalant. That's what you want. No. Maybe, just maybe, if I step away a little and allow you do the things you want to do, maybe that will settle this. Just maybe. You want me to cut you loose so that the wolves on the street can devour you. That's what you want. I'll let you do that.
I'm sorry, babe.
You're sorry now?
I didn't mean to sound that way. Like, I didn't mean to call her to complain, but I'm sorry. This will never happen again.
We're married. If we have a problem, we talk about it. If you have issues with me, you say, hey, baby, this is what you've done. I don't like it. And we just keep working on it until we fix it.
Yeah.
You promise this will never happen again?
I promise.
You're certain?
Yes.
Please.
I'm sorry.
It should never happen again. I do the things that I do because I love you. It's a wicked world out there, baby. I am a man. I see things, I know things that you don't know. If I let you go out there, these boys, they will do you anyhow. You don't understand. Look, let me tell you something. I go out every day and I settle matters. I have friends dealing with these issues every day. You know, their wives coming back home to cry that, okay, they're walking through the marketplace, somebody tapped their buttocks and all of that. Huh? Fine girl like you. Eh? It's not necessary.
I'm sorry.
I'm not maltreating you, okay? Eh? I'm protecting you. You know, come here. Sorry I shouted at you. So, I didn't mean to shout at you. It's just that sometimes, you know, when love is strong like this, you just be giving. That's all.
Sorry.
Sorry too. Nkiru! Babe!
I'm coming!
We're waiting now. You've been coming since.
These are coming. Doesn't it ever end?
But you're a woman. You know how you people are. She's still adjusting herself.
Mom, I'm sorry for keeping you. Babe, let's go.
Go where? See what you're wearing. Go away.
I don't understand.
Why do you like to make me look like I'm a very bad husband? You don't understand that you're naked. No, why are you pulling it down? Pull it up. Let us see what you're wearing.
Babe, how am I naked? What do you expect me to wear?
How are you not naked? You're asking me what? I'll tell you what to wear. It's very simple. You know those sets of wrapper that my mom, you just pick one. It's a wedding gift. For my wedding, remember? Especially the one I say will match your skin tone. Pick it and then dress. So let's go to church. And then tie your hair.
I beg your pardon?
I beg your pardon. Beg your pardon. Why are you always arguing with him? Eh? Are you not a married woman? Are you not supposed to be a responsible married woman? Please, dress like one. What is this now?
Simple. Go up and take this thing off. And then wipe your makeup. Who wears makeup to church? I thought you were chosen. Now you're wearing makeup.
Oh my goodness.
The chosen or they take makeup. Don't understand.
This is what you've been putting up.
Don't understand though. You see what I'm dealing with?
Hey.
She ran to you the other day to come and report me to you, but now you have seen what I'm dealing with.
But when you wanted to marry this girl, I said no. I told you no. I wanted you to marry from the church, from somebody I know her upbringing, but no, love. Eh? This one is completely wayward.
Mama, please, let's not get into it. You know what? Let me see what is going on. We don't have this time before traffic will start. I'm doing road construction on that road. Very soon, everywhere will block. You
Hey. I don't see anything.
I don't even understand this. I don't even know if I should even call it like a stupid family or something. Everybody just wants to just get me pissed.
What is it? Audrey!
What?
Aren't we supposed to be going to church? What are you doing?
I am not going.
Come on now, you cannot say that. We have to go to church.
I just said I'm freaking not going anywhere.
It's Sunday. My mother is waiting down there for us.
Don't you understand English? I just said I am not going. Will you force me to go? Will you push me to go? Anything I do, you people complain. Your mother that I was even thinking, I even complained to her thinking she was going to help me. Now she's coming complaining of my dress. I wear this, she complains. I do this, she complains. I do that, she complains. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with everybody? Everybody just wants to get me angry. Turn me into a slave. That's what you want. I should look like a mad person. I am not human, no. I won't do what I like. I won't do what I want to do. I don't have freedom anymore. Nonsenses. Okay, just...
It's only a man who cares about his wife that will protect her. A man who doesn't love his wife, doesn't care how she dresses or how men flock around her. My son is well raised and he is God-fearing. You should be happy that you have him in your life. Am I talking to somebody?
Yes, ma'am.
But you're not saying anything.
I have nothing to say.
It does not cost you anything to obey your husband and do his bidding. It is the right thing to do. You are his wife. And don't forget, a man is the head of the family. It is your duty as a wife to respect and obey him. What is so hard in that?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Yes, ma. No contribution at all?
Nothing, ma'am.
May God help you.
And you too.
Oh. Anyways, I'm going back to the village tomorrow. This is your marriage. If you like, throw it away. If you like, destroy it. It's your problem. I am going back to the village. Am I even talking to somebody?
Thank you, ma. And safe journey back to the village. I'll be in my bedroom.
Hey! Ekwensu n'ọrụ onwe ya. Hey! Alụọ na nwanyị.
Jason,
How? Oh boy. Hello? Hey, it's really you. I wanted to be sure. How you doing? Hey, where did you spring out from? You decided to call me today.
Come on, man. Don't talk like that.
Why will I not talk like that? Now you abandoned all men. Now you just disappeared into thin air. Eh? Where are you there?
I've been in the US. After the divorce, I left. Sorry I didn't update you guys.
You've been in the US. It's okay. I mean, given what had transpired, I guess you needed the air at the time.
Yeah, I'm actually on my way to your house. Almost at your place, sir.
What did you say? You're on your way to my house? How? Jesse, why did you call me first? Hello? Hello? Hey. This is not happening. This is not happening to me. This is not happening. You cannot be on your way to my house. Yeah. And my car is bad. Eh? To do? Hi. Yeah. Ahmed. Hello? Yes. Look, I have an emergency. I need to get to the house right now. Please, can you come and pick me? I'm still at the office. You're not around. You're not around. No, it's not possible. You have to be around. Tell one of your boys to come and pick me. You're telling me, what are you talking about? Yes, get your boys to... Eh? I'll be downstairs waiting. Quickly.
The person doesn't know the door is locked.
Go away! Can you just stop knocking? Stop knocking, leave! You should leave. What is wrong with you?
So Bernard did not lock this door.
Hi.
Hi. Are you looking for someone?
Yes, I'm Bernard's friend. My name is Johnson. You should be the one there.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
See my man! Look at him!
So good to see you.
Same here, my man.
You're at my house?
Yes.
When did you just get here?
Just now. Not long ago. Just now.
You just got here?
Yes.
Hey, you just got here?
Yes.
Oh my God. Why didn't you tell me so I can prepare for you now?
Prepare for what? Bro, I just wanted to surprise you.
But I'm the only link you have in this country. Yeah. If you enter town, you tell me.
Come off it.
So I can take care of you.
It's okay, it's okay.
And you just showed up in my house like that.
You have a nice house.
Thank you very much. You know what? Let me go and lodge you in the hotel so you can settle in. Let me settle you in.
Lodge me?
Yes, sir.
I don't understand. Can't I stay in your place?
My place? My brother, I have a situation. You see this house? This house is full. I'm telling you, my mother is here. My mother's younger sister is here. Then, you know that my uncle's wife that I was telling you that they were having issues.
Yes.
My uncle finally threw her out. I said, what can I do? Family is family. I told her, come here and stay with your 2 children. I'm telling you, my house is full. Then remember Ekene? Ekene from our university days now?
Yes.
His wedding is next week. Oh, he did not tell you?
No.
He got to the hotel. They said they can't find his reservation. He's here with his fiancée.
Can you imagine?
And as I'm talking to you right now, my toilet downstairs here is messed up. So we are all using 1 toilet and 2 bathrooms. You know what? It's a very terrible situation.
Yes.
Oh boy, enter car.
My nigga.
My guy.
My nigga.
My guy. Guy. Start the car. Hey. Oh boy, so good to see you.
I'm at the same here, my man.
Welcome.
Thank you, thank you.
How New York?
We thank God, we thank God.
I wish you see, I wish you know that you are the only one for me, and I protect you. I will give you and everything that we share and more. 'Cause you are the one that I need, the better one for me. You are the one that I need, the better one for me. I wish you see, I wish you know that you are the missing piece that makes me whole, and I protect you. I will give you and everything that we share and more. 'Cause you are the one that I need, the better one for me. You are the one that I need,
Kiruka,
better one for me. You are the
Audrey, I'm talking to you. What is going on now? Why is our house like this? Why is everyone in a mess? And why are you looking all depressed? What? I'm speaking to you, not your ghost.
Don't you prefer it this way? At least now, no one can look at me.
the better one for me. You are the one that I need, the better one for me. You are the one that I need, the better one for me.
Clean this mess up before I come back from the office. Because I don't understand. Even where somebody died.
Hey, man.
Hey, what's up, man?
Good. I have a deal for you for tonight. Just meant for me, boy. Your wife is sick.
Okay. Specs?
Married.
Offer?
6 a.m.
6 m. Sounds good to me. That's good.
But you could give me a call too.
Of course, that's normal.
Bad guy. I will forward you my details now.
Salute. I'll not be coming home tonight. I'll see you in the morning.
Good night.
Where are you coming from?
Please, let's talk when I'm rested. I'm tired.
Thank God he didn't lock the door.
Audrey, why are you looking like this? What happened?
Please, can you just help me beat my guy?
Is everything okay?
Everything is fine.
So you had to run away?
As soon as I saw the opportunity, I had to. Nelly, I am tired of that marriage. Look at me. I am a shadow of myself.
I can't seem to understand Bernard.
I am mentally exhausted. It just feels like I ran out of prison.
I'm so sorry you had to go through all of that. I'm sorry.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Audrey! Audrey! Where is it? Audrey!
This door is open. Hey! This door is open. Chinde.
Bernard, why are you knocking on my door like that?
Isn't Kiru here?
No, she's not.
She's not here.
Is she missing?
You said she's not here.
She's not here.
Hey.
Is there a problem?
There's a problem. No, there's no problem. Is she here? Are you sure she's not in this house?
No, she's not here.
Hey. What am I going to do now?
Well, you need to calm down. I'm sure she'll be back. She's an adult.
You're sure she'll return? You don't understand. Hey. Give me one now.
Why is he so insecure?
That answer is what I don't know. I have never had eyes on other men, even while we were dating, and he knew this.
I'm starting to think that perhaps you married him too quickly. If you guys had dated more, maybe you would have seen the side of him.
Maybe.
When people usually move the way it does, it only means they have skeletons in their cupboard.
What do you mean?
He's cheating.
Oh, come on, no, Nelly. I know Bernard is flawed. But you say cheating? No, he can't. Bernard is too obsessed with me to even think that.
Well, there's only one way to find out.
Why can't I reach you? Baby, please. Wherever you are, please just come back home. I miss you.
Babe, you can see that there is nothing unusual about his life. We followed him from the house to the mall and now to his office. He's not cheating. There is no woman. We've been trailing him since morning. There is nothing. He's not cheating. Bernard cannot cheat.
Don't be too fast to conclude.
But you can clearly see that he is not cheating.
How come you trust him so much when he clearly doesn't trust you one bit? You better wake up, oh.
But you are accusing him wrongly, without evidence. Please, I'm tired. Let's just go.
So you sent for me?
Yes, I sent for you. Come. Sit down on my leg first. I want to tell you something. Hi. Keep your phone. And then sit where, move in a little. Hi. Is this how you came to work?
Yes, sir.
You came to work like this?
Yes, sir.
No wonder things are not going very well in
You
this
don't like
office.
the way I'm dressed?
We'll get to that. But you see, put your hand here first. Hey.
Are you okay?
I'm not okay. Oh.
What's wrong?
It's not a very good day at work.
So sorry.
You see, what had happened is that I'm going through a lot of stress and I'm confused.
So...
And I was just thinking that if you can help me.
Okay.
Just help me.
How?
Help.
How, sir?
Just help me.
Okay.
You know, use this thing that you're carrying like this to help me.
Ladies' breast no put you for trouble, sir.
Please, let it help me.
Sir.
So this is how you came to work. Did you cause serious traffic jam on your way here?
I don't know. I wasn't checking.
To tell you the truth, since I employed you here,
Yes.
I have not regretted it. You know why? Of all the women that came here, I employed you because of this breast.
Ha.
I have finally confessed. Because something is going to kill a man.
So not only the breast today see. Just the breast.
The breast and the fact that you know how to change my oil and clean my valve. You understand?
Okay, sir. I understand.
Can we collect one inside this office? Wait, now I see the hot.
Sir, it's an office, so...
Don't worry.
You know it's risky, sir.
I know it's risky, but something must kill a man. Help me.
Can't we do this somewhere else?
Just help me here first. You understand? Wait now. Calm down.
Calm down.
Calm down. Okay. This is how you dressed and came to work. How many traffic did you cause on the road?
I wasn't counting.
And you come to work looking like this, expecting your guy to concentrate.
Oh, sir, I'm not in the office now.
What is wrong with the office? It's a roof over our head.
It's too risky.
This all you're doing is sweeting me. I like it, but stop it.
Sir, it's too risky, please.
Wait, let me keep my head first.
Just a minute. Okay, just a minute.
Another wasted day. We can't keep doing this.
Babe, calm down.
Nelly, I am walking away because of his insecurities. Not because I feel he's cheating.
I'm telling you, he's definitely cheating.
Then why haven't we caught him since we started trailing him? He is not cheating. He just loves me a lot. Unhealthily obsessed with me. That's all.
Aww. If he loves you that much, then why are you here then? You should have been in your house with your loving husband. Please, I don't have your strength. I'm tired. I need to go and shower.
I told you that he's not cheating. Bernard cannot even cheat.
I can see that he loves you so much.
Oh. He said he's coming. I don't know. I'm trying to call to know if he's close.
Hello. Do you remember me?
No, I don't.
Come on. I was in your house the other day, in your brother's house.
Yes. I remember you.
Yeah.
My brother?
Yes.
No, he's my husband.
Bernard is your husband?
Yes, he's my husband. Is anything wrong?
No. All is well. Actually, I've been trying to reach his, but his line is not connecting.
Wow.
So I don't know if it's okay for me to get your number. So I'll just check up on you.
Okay, that's fine.
Thank you. Okay, just put it in. Thank you so much. I'll call you again.
Okay.
All right.
that look on your face?
I don't know. He said Bernard's number hasn't been connecting.
And so? Wait, why don't you go back to him since you're so bothered about Bernard? Please forget about him. My problem now is how to fix this car and get the mechanic here as soon as possible. I don't even know what to do. I'm just confused at this point.
I don't know. He said he's on his way. He said it's close.
Surely.
Yeah, hey. Are you good? Well, I just saw your wife and her friend. I didn't even know you were married. Come on. Now what for you?
Yeah, you can call me Audrey.
Oh, wow. A beautiful name for a beautiful woman.
Thank you.
I actually didn't know Bernard was married. He kept you a secret from everyone.
A secret?
Well, he did a damn good job at that.
Hey, Nkiru.
You should leave.
Slow down now, we're not quarreling. Why now? Nkiru Bikono. Don't tell me to leave. I'm here to talk to you. I've been here before. They say you're not here. Now I've found you and you're telling me to leave. Please, let us talk.
Enough. Enough of your nonsense, Bernard.
Look, let me tell you something. Whatever I have done is just to protect you.
Protect me from what exactly? I hear that you kept me a secret from everyone. Why is that?
A secret? Do you look like a secret?
That's exactly the question I want to ask you. Why would you do that? What's going on with you?
Okay, just calm down. Don't raise it. These people, they have neighbors here. Calm down. We can sort this thing out. If you just follow me back to the house, I'll explain everything to you. Please, I was just trying to protect you.
I want a divorce.
Huh?
Yes.
For this small husband and wife issue that we're having.
You heard me.
Don't do this to us, I'm begging you.
I cannot stay married to you anymore. It feels like I don't even know who you are. And it's glaring that there is something you're hiding and protecting me from that I do not know about. And I don't want to be a part of it anymore. Do you get that?
Please, I love you. Let's just go home and solve whatever issues we're having. I mean, there's no marriage that is perfect anymore. I have been miserable without you. I've looked everywhere for you. Please.
Serve me the divorce papers. You flatter me a lot. Yes. Thank you. All right. Do have a beautiful night rest. All right. Bye.
You've been on that call for almost an hour.
Really? This long?
Yes. That long.
What?
Who is he? The guy from the other day?
Yeah. Bernard's friend.
Babe. They are friends. Nothing good can come out of this one.
Yeah, I know. There is nothing going on between us. We're just gisting.
And better.
That reminds me. I forgot to tell you. He came the other day.
Who? Bernard?
Yes. Like, I wanted to tell him everything. I wanted to tell him to his face to serve me the divorce papers.
Good. Very good. He should take his unfortunate toxic love to another unfortunate person.
To think that I still had soft spots for him.
Babe, that man is bad news.
Do you know that he told people that I wasn't his wife?
Are you kidding me?
I am telling you the truth. It feels like I don't even know who Bernard is. He says he wants to protect me. Protect me from what exactly? I just feel there is so much behind the curtains.
True. But then, time will tell. Let's keep watching.
Listen to me, Jason. Stay away from my wife. Jason, stay away from my wife. I'm telling you now. For the love of God, stay away from my wife. Whatever happened between you and I is in the past, all right? I have moved on. You have moved on. Let it stay in the past and remain in the past. I am not going to warn you again. Do not play with my family now. Don't do that. Am I clear?
Oh my goodness. Look at you.
Sorry for keeping you waiting.
No. You know, when it comes to a beautiful woman like you, I will not complain.
You sure do have your way with words.
Well, I hope the words are hitting the right spots.
Ready to go?
Yeah, sure. You look so sweet. This way, please.
Thank you.
Okay. Hope you enjoyed your stuff.
Yes, I did. I enjoyed myself today.
I see.
Thanks.
Jason! What are you doing here?
Bernard.
No, what are you doing? Have I not told you to stay away from my woman?
Bernard, please, can you just stop this madness?
I made it explicitly clear that you stay away from my wife. What are you doing here?
Bernard, stop this!
Look at how you're raking. Look at how you're shouting. Who would believe you'd be hurting your own wife like this when you have a master degree, first class degree in going after other people's wife and sleeping with them? Shut up. What do you mean by that? You can't shut me up, bro. Shut up. It's time that I say the truth. Listen to me, let me tell you, pretty lady. Do you know who he is? Do you really know who he is? He's nothing but a well-known gigolo who goes after other people's wife.
That's a lie.
Bernard.
Listen to me.
stop
Listen
lying.
to me. He
That's
only
a lie.
sleeps with them just for money. That his business is nothing but
Bernard?
a decade. He's just using it to pretend and deceive people like you.
Don't believe him now. That's a lie. Everything
look at what he's saying.
everything you're saying
Just
here
listen,
is a
just
lie.
listen.
What do you stand to gain? Jason, stop it. You're lying.
Listen to me. Listen to me. You can ask around. People do know him. They all know what he does. Why he does in that his office, you will not believe it. How
lying.
did I know? He introduced me to the business. We did it together as brothers until he broke the code. He slept with my wife. He slept with my wife. And then you want to have a peaceful marriage? It doesn't work that way, brother. If you sleep with another man's wife, another man will sleep with your wife. Did you hear me? It's true. Look at his eyes. Look at his eyes. He knows I'm saying the truth. You're just so lucky. Look at him trying to deny it. You're so lucky I didn't have sex with her. If I have had sex with her, what I would have done to her would be worse than what you did to my wife.
I'm going to kill Jason.
But why you save the vex? Is your wife better than other married women we've been going around sleeping with?
Stop it. Don't make us enemies. Stop it.
Oh, please. See, you can't be messing around with other people's wives and you expect yours to stay in the house. Come on, man. Who does that? You can't eat your cake and have it. Or you think I don't know my wife is cheating? I do, but I'm okay by it. Yeah, because I do the same, bro. So come on. Stop with this unnecessary anger. You chop their own, then chop your own. Everybody's happy. Come on, man. Come on.
Just glad nothing happened between you and that stupid Jason of a guy. Thank God everything played out the way it did. Babe, you have your whole life ahead of you and you'll be happy again. Don't allow that miserable man take away your shine, please.
I thought I knew him.
Can we ever really get to know someone fully?
How come I never suspected him? He was so smooth. I thought he loved me.
Men like that think they can eat their cake and still have it. Imagine dragging you to his death. What could it have taken him to live a life worthy of emulation? I don't even understand this.
And his mom says she raised a responsible son.
Indeed. Responsible son indeed. But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Please, don't do this.
Can you just...
Please, I'm begging.
Nelly, let's go.
Listen.
What is it?
Please. These women come after me. I just help them out.
You're really, really sick in the head, Bernard.
Bikono.
You are sick. Whoever damaged you really did you wrong. You sleep with people's wives? Ha! Bernard, not just that. You sleep with single ladies. Gosh! Bernard, you are a cheat. A chronic cheat, that's what you are. Yes! Kudos to you for making me feel like you're the most honest man on earth.
Please.
Let's go.
Please, I beg you. You cannot just walk out on us like this. We're married. All right, give us a chance, please. I promise to change.
Wow! You promised to change. If I didn't find out, would you have changed? You probably would have still been locking me up here so that other men will not sleep with me, right?
Please, don't come.
Does your overly religious mother know that you sleep with people's wives? I bet she doesn't. If you know the amount of hate and disgust I feel for you right now, you wouldn't stand in front of me to apologize. You should just go get help. That's what you need. Let's go.
I wish you see, I wish you know that you are the only one for me, and I'll protect you. I will keep you, and everything that we share.
Would you like a drink?
No. Let's continue with the story.
While my mother spends time in church praying for the family, my father was busy sleeping with married women of all kinds. And every time I complained, he was quick to remind me that those women were lonely. I needed comfort. He also chipped in that it's a man's world. Yeah, he said so. It would interest you to know that I started having sex at the age of 9. I let other women experiment with my body, and for some crazy reason I enjoyed it. What's also weird is that sometimes my father would take me with him to watch. At the end of the day, those women would dash me money just so I don't tell my mother. You know, it's crazy how a lot of individuals today are living their lives based off childhood experiences and trauma. It's a shame. A very big shame. I want to fix my life. I want to rebuild. Because I love my wife. But I am afraid that my mind is made up, because no matter what she tells me, that fear would always be with me.
Mr. Bernard, I want you to know that with therapy, all that will be taken care of.
I love my wife. I want to rebuild my life and start all over again. But I don't know if I have used up all of my chances. All the chances that life is willing to give to me. I want to fix my life. I want to rebuild. It's a shame. Because I love my wife. I want to rebuild my life and start all over again. But I don't know if I have used up all of my chances. All the chances that life is willing to give to me.
Babe, sorry I took so long.
It's fine.
Are you okay?
Sure.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay then, let's go.
And I protect you. I will give you and everything that we share and more. 'Cause you are the one that I need, the better one for me. You are the one that I need, the better one for me.
Good to see you.
It's always good to see you. You're here.
Yeah. Can I come in?
You don't ever have to ask.
Therapist sent me a voice recording.
What? He did that?
He wanted me to know that you're working on yourself. I have a feeling that you do so well.
I feel so too. Because I've been working very hard. I have been seeing a therapist. I have been listening. I have been learning how to be a better man. Nikiruka, I have missed you.
I have missed us too.
Let's start a new life.
It's okay there.
Again.